Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. Today's weekly stamping collab was hosted by Nerdy Creations, and these are the manicures we prepared. Check the description box for links to everybody's video. Let's get started. For my base, I apply this LA Colors Color Craze called Candy Sprinkles. I'll use my Ejiubas stamping plate EJB08 and a few of my H la Cosedora stamping polishes, DaBaDee, Pink Candy, Kryptonite, and Purple Rain. Since this polish already looks so pretty and it reminds me so much of candy, I decided to use this image to create candy cane designs on all my nails. I didn't use enough polish that first time, so I'm going to try it one more time, and I tilted the plate to see if I get a better pickup that way. Oh yeah, that looks much better. That looks cute. I'll do the next nail in pink. I always try to do as much cleanup with a piece of tape before I have to use the acetone. Next, we've got the blue. And finally, the green. I took too long, so the image dried on the stamper before I could stamp it completely on my nail. I'll try that one more time. Since I had applied my Seche Vite Dry Fast top coat, I was able to use a piece of tape to remove the polish. Now I can stamp it one more time. That looks much better. I almost forgot about my thumbnail. I'll use the yellow polish for that one. This one is called Hello Sunshine. I'll seal in the stamping with my Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. This is the completed design. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Before I go, I wanted to test out this matte top coat that I bought at the Shop Miss A website. So let's shake it really well and apply it to see if it works. So you can see the difference, how it mixes really well once I shake it. Here you can see the separation of the product, but here it's all mixed in. Hopefully that makes a difference. All right, now we wait. I definitely see it's turning matte. I applied a lot, so it's gonna take a while probably to dry. And compared to the other nails, you can definitely see a huge difference. So I think this one works out. Let's go ahead and apply it on all the nails. I'm really glad I tried out the matte top coat because it definitely looks more like candy cane now. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!